students, now in this session of video we have class 11th maths, and today we are going to discuss exercise 3.1 question number 1. Find the radian measures corresponding to the following degree. So we have given the degree and we have to convert this into radian. So I pick up two questions, first and second question. First is positive 25, second is minus 47 degree and 30 minutes. So first we convert this 25 into radian. So radian, we know that radian is equal to pi upon 180 into degree. So pi upon 180 into 25. So it is cancelled out by 5. 5 5 is 25 and 5 36 is 180. So finally the answer we get 5 pi upon 36. So the radian does not have any unit because it is a ratio. So we'll write only the radian. Now in second we have given 47 degree and 30 minutes. So it is not completed a degree. For that we have to first of all convert it into the minute into degree. So for that we have 30 upon 60 and we write it like that. So now we have finally 94 plus 1, so it is minus 95 upon 2. So what we have to get radian. For the radian we have 5 pi upon 180 into degree. So finally we write it as radian pi upon 180 into minus 95 upon 2. So 5 19 ja 95 and 5 36 ja 180. So now finally we get minus 19 pi upon 72. Clear? Radian. So I hope it is clear to you how convert we the given degree into radian. Okay, now second we have to convert degree measure corresponding to the following of the radian measures. We have to convert into degree, and we have given some problem related to this. So first solution, degree is equal to 180 upon pi into radian. Clear? We have given 180 upon pi into radian 11 upon 16. Now further we can put the values. 180 upon pi, the value of pi is 22 upon 7. So we can write it as 22 upon 7 into 11 upon 16. So if we divide it as, so 11 2 ja 290 ja 45 upon 8. So 7 into, further it can be written as 315 upon 8. Okay, when we divide 8 to 315, so we get 39 and 3 upon 8. 39 whole 3 upon 8. So we know that it is not in a proper way, so we have to convert it again. 39 and this is can be written as 39 3 into 60 upon 8. Clear? This portion plus, so 39 plus this can be written as 180 upon 8. Again we divide it, so we get 180 upon, so now we get 22, and again remaining we have 40 upon 8, 4 upon 8. So we can write 39 plus 22 in plus. So we have to convert into second, so we again multiply by 60 upon 8. So finally I will get 39 22 minute, 39 degree 22 minute, and 6 4 is 24 3, so 30 second. Clear? So this is conversion. Now the second question we have 5 pi by 3. So degree is equal to 180 upon pi into 5 pi by 3. To pi cancel out, 3 6 18, so 6 5 is 30, 300 degree. Clear? So this is a conversion of degree into measure and measure into degree. Now we will take a problem related to the word problem and then proceed next. Okay students, we have to first of all read the question very carefully. A wheel make 360 revolution in 1 minute. How many minutes? 1 minute. So one wheel, this is a wheel for example, and wheel is revolving 360 revolution in 1 minute. Clear? Through how many radian does it turn into 1 second? So how many? 300 revolution in 1 minute. So first of all we find the revolution in 1 second. So 360 in 1 minute upon 60. So revolution in 1 second is equal to 6 revolution. Degree in 6 revolution. So we know that in 1 revolution 360 degree, so 6 revolution, 6 into 360, so 6 6 is 36, 2160 degree. And we know that the degree measure into radian, so how we write it as radian is equal to, radian measure is equal to pi upon 360, pi upon 180 into degree. So how much degree? This is 0 to 0 cancel out, pi upon 18 into 216, 18 1 is 18 and 18 2 is 36, so it is 12 pi radian. Clear? So this is the end of this exercise. Tomorrow I will discuss trigonometrical function.